Hi everyone, it's Eric Goins from Flywheel Studio here. I have a little update to the folder app we made last week. And one of the questions was, how can you show a folder path when you have your app? And so what we've done is we created a file path property in our collection, or folder path we called it. And when we create our folders for this, what we do is we update the folder after it's created, and we add that folder name. I'm going to add some spaces here to make it look a little bit better. And for our other levels in our folder system, what we've done is we create the folder and then we update it. Let me find my update. Oh, here we go. And what we do is we just add the new folder name to that. Okay, so we have the original name and then the new one. And let's watch that live and see how that works. Okay, you can see this is our desktop. And this is D1. Let's just make another folder here. We'll call this desktop folder 2. We'll create the folder and it'll show up here. We can go into that folder. And now we can see folder path desktop folder 2. And let's call this folder 1. Okay, so we can see folder 1 here, and then if we go into folder 1, we'll see that folder path is desktop folder 2, folder 1. So hope that's helpful. It's pretty easy. Just tack it on there. This is also helpful. I saw on the forum today, somebody was asking how you can send lists in an email because the custom actions don't support sending multiple records from other lists. A really simple workaround for that is to just add all of the list information into a property in the original file. So to give you an example of that, let's say somebody is ordering food and you want to send a list of all the food that they ordered. What you can do is you can just have an order item here, or a property, and then as they order things, just append those items. Item name, comma, next item name, etc. Just keep appending them to that list or to that property. And then that's an easy workaround. It's not perfect. It's not going to have a list in the email, but that's another easy way to get by something where there's kind of a little limitation in Adalo. So hope that helps. If you like this video and my other videos, definitely check out Adalo. That is where all of our real content lives. So if you're interested in really knowing Adalo, I would go to that website. That's nodalo.com. You can see the link in the description of this video below. Thanks.